Namaste and welcome to day 18. It was a beautiful Surya Namaskar practice that we did yesterday, and today we will combine the movement and the flow and the transition and add some variations into the practice. With that, let's get seated into a comfortable position. Welcome this beautiful bird chirping for us. Allowing your breath to soften. Allowing your face muscles to relax. Just let your body be exactly where it is right now, without any expectations. Join your palms at heart center. Beautiful chant of Om. Inhale. Om. A beautiful intention for this amazing day that you have. Gently relax your hands. I welcome you to this practice with an open heart and a big smile. I hope you are having a beautiful smile on your face as well. Take your left hand on your left side, open your chest, and look up on the right side. I'm blessed to be able to witness a beautiful sky today. I'm healthy and I'm grateful to breathe and function the way I can right now. Slowly come back up. Right hand on the right side. Lift up the chest, look up. I'm grateful to be able to breathe. Using this breath to expand in every corner of my body. Slowly coming back. Making a good circle from your chest, sinking the chest behind, to the side, to the front, and back. Other way around, to the side, front, left, and back. One more time for side, left, front, right, back to the right, front, left, and back. Center. Slowly relax. Let's come into all fours. Coming into our palms and the knees. Pushing the weight on the palms. So shift the weight ahead as much as you can. Shift, 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 and back. Shift the weight ahead. Shift, 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 and back. Shift the weight ahead. Let your fingertips activate and relax. Push the fingers towards your knee. Rotate it and lean back. Beautiful. Just stay there and relax. Flip your fingers inwards, palms facing up. Make a fist. Release. Fist. Release. Fist. Release. Fist. Release. Slowly sit on your heels. Rotate and reverse. Let's get into standing. Come on the top of your mat. Interlock your fingers above your head. Lift up. Exhale and bend your whole upper body to the right side, getting a good lateral stretch. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, release. Inhale, take your arms all the way up again. Interlock your fingers, flip it upwards. Take a good inhalation. Exhale to the right side, hold here and breathe. Keep lifting and lengthening. Inhale, come back up to the left side. Lifting and lengthening. Slowly come back up. Release the arms down. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Lift your chest. Push your chest to the front and up. And push your hips back. Lift up the head and stay. Beautiful. Slowly release. We'll go for taking the arms from the side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release the palms down. Knees soft, head relax. Inhale, step your right leg back. Right knee down, look up. Hold your breath and come into downward dog or a plank. Slowly release the knees, chest and forehead down. Inhale, slide the head and up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, step your right leg between the palms. Look up. Exhale, bend forward. Release the neck. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch your palms from the side and up. Exhale, release the hands down. Inhale, step the left leg back. Left knee down, look up. Hold your breath, come into plank. Exhale, release the knees. Release the chest. Release the forehead. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, pushing back into downward facing dog. Inhale, stepping your left leg ahead between your palms. Lower the hips. Exhale, forward bend. Head surrendered. Weight on the toes. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, release the palms. Breathe. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, release it down. Inhale, step your right leg back. Take it further back than usual. And take your left palm up from the side. Stay here and breathe. Try to look at your left palm. Slowly release the hands down. From here, take the hips back. Front leg straightens. Spine straight. Bend the front leg. Take the leg back into plank. Slowly release the knees, chest, forehead. Inhale up. Exhale back. Try to be mindful with your movements. Tap into the awareness of your body. Inhale, step your right leg ahead. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, release the palms. Inhale, take your arms from the side and up. Exhale, slowly release and down. Inhale, left leg back. Further back, left knee down. Take your right arm up from the side. Open and stay. Exhale, release the palms down. Take the hips back. Make sure you're breathing. Try to keep your spine as straight as you can. Exhale, bend forward and step your leg back. Coming into plank, control, release. Exhale, inhale, coming up. Exhale, going back. Inhale, step your left leg ahead. Right knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward, release the neck. Inhale, take your arms all the way up from the side. Exhale, release. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step your right leg back. Right knee down. Take your left palm up. Keep pushing away the floor. Stay here. Press your palms actively. Bend the back knee if you can. Feel free to use anything under your knee to make this more accessible. Reach from your palms. Try to see if you can reach your ankles. Wherever you are today, embrace it. Breathe through it. Release the hands. Take your hips back. Lift your chest. And take your both palm on the left side. Exhale, coming back to the front. Bend the front knee and then step it back into plank. Slowly lower the knees, lower the chest, lower the forehead and stay here on your stomach. Slow lifting up the chest and lift off the hands and hold. Press the palms, push and go back into downward facing dog. Inhale, step the right leg ahead, left knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward, release the head. Inhale, take your palms all the way up. Exhale, release the palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, bending forward, melting, relaxing the head. Inhale, left leg back. Take your right palm up. Open, twist through. Look at your palms. Bend the back leg. Try to reach for the ankles. And breathe. Let your belly move with that breath. And you will notice every exhalation makes it more accessible for you. Release the hands. Push the hips back to straighten the front leg. Taking both the palms on the right side. And breathe. Slowly coming to the front, bend the front knee and go back on your palms, plank. Slowly lower, lie down on your stomach, lift up the chest and the hands and hold it here. Slowly release, push the hips back, downward facing dog. Step the left leg ahead, right knee down, forward fold with the right leg. Take your palms all the way up. Exhale, release your palms. Open your palms and just stay here. Place your right hand on your chest, left hand on your navel, and just breathe. Give yourself the time to allow that breath to come back to its natural pace. Release the palms. Slowly lift up the heels, hands on your waist, and lower. Lift up the heels, find a spot, and lower. Lift up the heels, find the spot, and lower. Lift up the heels, find the spot, and lower. Slowly, just shift the weight, circling it on the ankles in every direction, and reverse. Open your legs wide, turn out your toes, and bend lower as much as you can to come up. The horse stance, goddess pose, Kali Asana. Come up, exhale, inhale. I love how zen and focused you are today. This is amazing. And release. Slowly come to seat. Get into a comfortable seat. Just stay here with yourself. Give yourself some time to just be here. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.